popular.
We the ones setting trends, we keep it so real and you just pretend.
We make it popular.
We the ones that will shine, we 10 steps ahead and you just behind.
Well, hold up.
I think I hear a little hater in the room.
Thank you for tuning in to my Popular Girls channel. I'm Deja B. Now, today on this edition of Popular Girls, I'm going to show you how to make a flower centerpiece. Now, this flower centerpiece, you could kind of use it for any occasion. You could use it for a bridal shower. It would be perfect for that. You could use it for a baby shower. You could use it for a birthday party. You could use it even for a wedding if you change out the different colors and stuff like that. So the possibilities are endless. I want you to make sure you stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification button, and stay tuned so I can show you how to make this flower centerpiece. Now for the supplies for the centerpiece, you want to get some type of long vase. You want to make sure that the vase has some type of color and that it's solid, or if you happen to find a clear vase like this, just spray painted, and you're gonna see the reason why. The next thing you want to have is some type of the fake flowers. I ordered these off of Amazon and it came about 100 in a box for, I believe it was like $29. I'll leave the link down below. Another place that where you can find flowers for a good price is Dollar Tree. A lot of times they have a whole section of various flowers and different colors that you can use. Another tip is you could actually go on Dollar Tree and order fake flowers. You could actually order a lot of stuff that they carry in a Dollar Tree store. Only thing with that is you have to order a certain amount. So each product, it'll tell you you have to order a minimum of 4, minimum 8, a minimum of 20. It depends on what flower you select, and it will tell you how many you have to order the minimum. And another thing is with that, if you choose to order something off of Dollar Tree, you could have it sent to the store for free. So you can order whatever you need to order and have it shipped to the store, and they'll email you and tell you, oh, you know, your stuff is ready, you go pick it up. So that's just another tip. Now, another thing that you're gonna need is the foam ball. They sell these on Micheals. You can get it on Amazon, eBay, just about anywhere. They usually come in half size, and sometimes they don't come in half. It's hard to find the half sizes. So if, let's say you go to the store and they don't have it, you could buy the whole ball and then cut it in half. You don't need a special cutter. You could just cut it with a regular knife, maybe like a bread knife. And because you're gonna cut it, the foam is gonna be dropping all over the place. So I suggest you put some type of tissue paper or some type of paper just so the foam is not dropping all over the place. And then you're gonna need some type of stick, and this is gonna hold the foam ball in place. You're gonna need a foam letter. This is optional, but this is just to decorate it up, and this is foam letter. And this is also optional. This is just to decorate the vase, some type of ribbon. And once again, you can use whatever color you like. So let's get started. So what I'm doing right here is I'm preparing the flower to put on the foam ball. What you want to do is you want to get a pair of scissors and you want to clip through the stem just a little bit and then move the flower back and forth, and that way you could break the stem in half. So before I started recording, I already broke the stems in half. That way I could just move really quickly and put in the flowers on the foam ball. Now, when you put in the flowers on a foam ball, you want to start at the very bottom and you want to have from end to end. So whenever you put in a flower, you want to put the next flower starting at the end from the previous flower, if that makes sense. You'll see. So now I'm starting on the next layer. So you want to put the next layer in between the flowers that you just put. So you're going to do like a window. So from that first layer, now you're going to put the second layer in between the flowers that you put from the first layer. And you want to keep doing this until you get all the way to the middle. So now I'm on the third layer and I'm just putting it in between the flowers that I put from previously. And you want to keep doing that all the way till you get to the middle. So now I'm just fluffing it out and pulling it apart and just making sure all the flowers are the same height. So now I'm just gonna put a ribbon around the vase. That way, just to dress it up a little bit and just give it a nice finished look. A tip with using a ribbon around the vase is to make sure that you start out with a ribbon and have the pattern on the front and in the back. A lot of times some ribbons, they might have a pattern in the front and then have a plain background. So it might be hard to use that when you're trying to make a bowl, because sometimes the inside is on the outside and the outside is on the inside. So to help you make a bowl and to make it much easier, just try to use a ribbon that has the same pattern in the front and in the back, and it just makes life so much easier. So now I'm just taking a stick and I'm sticking it right down the middle of the foam ball, and I'm just gonna place it in the vase. That's why it's important to have a vase that you can't see through, that way you don't see the stick. Next, I'm gonna just take a small toothpick and put it in the foam letter and just stick it right on the top. Now, wasn't that so easy to do? The perfect thing about this is that you could change the flowers out for different flowers. You can mix it up with different colors. You can use different ribbons. You could use a different vase. And once again, like I said, the reason why I use this is because this is not going to go anywhere. I find sometimes that when you try to glue it, depending on the glue that you use, if you knock it over, you know, it could knock over. But with the long stick, it holds it and just stay in place. So that's the perfect thing about that. And like I said, you could use this for a bridal shower. You could use this for a baby shower. You could use this for even a wedding. I think this would be perfect for a wedding. If you're on a budget and you want something just nice and simple, you could use that for that purpose as well. Now, once again, thank you for all the love, all the support. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification button so you can see new videos. I usually post at least once or twice every week. So make sure you stay tuned. And thank you for all the love and support. See you next time. Bye-bye.
We the ones setting trends, we keep it so real and you just pretend.